Now we already made your videos, we made your page, we made your LinkedIn page. Now what you do is you go out and make a video explaining what your company does. It's called an explainer video. So you can make your explainer video yourself, or you can go to fiverr.com and you can hire somebody to make an explainer video for you. I encourage that you, all three of you, get in front of a camera and start speaking about your pitch, about your product in less than 1 minute. It has to be 60 seconds. Try not to make it less than 50 seconds. Try not to make it more than 1 minute 20 seconds. It has to be around there. Then now you have an explainer video. That explainer video goes on the cover of your Facebook. That explainer video goes in the introduction of your LinkedIn page and your LinkedIn profile, so that people can see what this business is going to be all about. Once you have this explainer video, you send that explainer video to all your friends, all the Facebook groups which you made, all the WhatsApp group which you made. So you send it over there. You have to make some Facebook groups so that your company, your friends can start populating and start talking about your company and your mission and your vision, so that they can help you prove that.